Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be throwing my paper airplane that I made in school. It's kind of like hard to do. I'm holding one hand. But yeah, I'm just making my paper airplane. This is the world record that can last like really long in the air. But look. That was cool. My teacher said you have to like throw it up more and it's gonna last more longer. So that actually worked. That worked better than I thought. Okay. I'm gonna try 3 more times and I'm gonna end this short. Two more times and then I'm gonna end it. Okay, last one, I'm gonna end it short. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Alright, that's the end of the short. Bye. That's the end of the video. Bye.